In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force. AI's potential to enhance various industries, improve decision-making processes, and shape our future is undeniable. To stay up to date with the latest AI advancements, it's crucial to explore the top AI sites that provide valuable insights, research, and resources. ChatGPT, Writing Assistant. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is the talk of the town in 2023. This web-based conversational AI chatbot has taken the internet by storm. It harnesses the power of advanced language processing AI models and has been trained on an extensive range of information sources, including articles, books, web texts, Wikipedia, and other written content available online. What sets ChatGPT apart is its remarkable ability to understand and process natural languages. With this chatbot, you can ask questions and receive responses that are strikingly human-like. The potential applications of ChatGPT are virtually limitless. Whether you need assistance with research, want to explore new ideas, or require support like a virtual personal assistant, ChatGPT has got you covered. But what makes ChatGPT so impressive? First and foremost, it offers a chat experience that feels remarkably human, making interactions with the chatbot feel more natural and engaging. Additionally, ChatGPT excels at understanding complex questions and grasping the context behind them, ensuring that it provides relevant and meaningful responses. What's even more impressive is its ability to learn and adapt to new situations and contexts, constantly improving its performance over time. Furthermore, ChatGPT is a polyglot. With support for over 90 languages, it can generate text in a wide variety of linguistic contexts, catering to users from different parts of the world. Moreover, ChatGPT's versatility extends to its integration capabilities. It offers API access, making it effortless to integrate this powerful chatbot into various applications and platforms, providing users with a seamless experience across different environments. Midjourney, AI image generation website. Midjourney is a highly popular and powerful artificial intelligence website that allows you to create incredible digital art and images from plain text. By simply entering a description of whatever you want, Midjourney can generate a series of images based on your text prompts. It offers a wide range of possibilities, enabling you to create backgrounds, realistic photographs, paintings, 3D illustrations, logos, and much more. The creative potential is virtually limitless, making it a fun tool to experiment with. While there are several alternatives to Midjourney available in the market, if you're seeking a reliable and versatile AI image generator that consistently produces high-quality results, Midjourney stands out as one of the best choices. Some key features of Midjourney include fast and high-quality image generation, the ability to create AI images in various styles and for different purposes, text-to-image and image-to-image conversion capabilities, the ability to generate multiple images at once, and flexible customization options that allow you to adjust and edit the generated AI images to suit your preferences. Synthesia, AI video creation website. Introducing Synthesia, the revolutionary tool that eliminates the need for extensive video production and expensive video production teams. Thanks to its cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology, Synthesia can transform any text into a captivating, high-quality video in just minutes. But that's not all. Synthesia takes video creation to a whole new level by allowing you to craft interactive and engaging videos with virtual presenters that resemble real humans. You have the freedom to select from a vast library of AI-generated presenters, or even create your own AI presenter with your unique voice. This incredible feature is particularly beneficial for generating explainer videos, training materials, and product demonstrations. Using Synthesia is remarkably simple and straightforward. All you have to do is choose a template and AI presenter, input your text, and wait for the magic to unfold. Synthesia empowers you to convert your ideas into visually compelling videos effortlessly. With Synthesia, you gain access to a range of powerful features designed to enhance your video creation experience. Experience lightning-fast text-to-video conversion thanks to its quick processing capabilities. Streamline the video creation process with an extensive library of templates at your disposal. Engage in real-time video editing with the help of robust built-in tools that enable you to make adjustments swiftly and efficiently. Additionally, you can choose from a diverse selection of high-quality AI presenters and voiceovers to perfectly match your video's tone and style. And if language is a barrier, fear not. Synthesia supports video creation in over 120 languages, allowing you to reach a global audience effortlessly. Beautiful.ai, AI presentation maker website. Beautiful.ai revolutionizes the process of creating presentations by providing a user-friendly and efficient platform. With Beautiful.ai, all you need to do is enter your text, and it will generate stunning presentations for you automatically. This not only saves you valuable time, but also eliminates the need for manual editing, making the entire process effortless. In addition to its ease of use, Beautiful.ai offers a range of intelligent AI features. It includes automatic layout design, ensuring that your presentation looks polished and professional. The Smart Resize feature automatically adjusts your text and images to fit seamlessly into your slides, maintaining a visually appealing format. Additionally, Beautiful.ai provides content suggestions, assisting you in enhancing the quality and impact of your presentations. One of the standout advantages of Beautiful.ai is its vast collection of resources. It offers hundreds of high-quality presentation templates, enabling you to choose the perfect design for your content. Moreover, Beautiful.ai grants instant access to millions of stock photos, icons, and videos that can be effortlessly incorporated into your presentations, enriching your visual storytelling. Furthermore, Beautiful.ai goes beyond being a standalone tool by offering collaboration capabilities and integrations with popular platforms. You can seamlessly collaborate with team members using integration with tools like Slack, Monday.com, Dropbox, and even PowerPoint. This ensures smooth workflow management and enables effective teamwork in creating exceptional presentations. Notion, AI productivity website. Notion is an incredibly powerful productivity tool that operates in the cloud, allowing you to accomplish a wide range of tasks. It serves as a comprehensive platform for note-taking, task management, scheduling, project organization, and more. However, what truly sets Notion apart from other tools is its utilization of artificial intelligence to enhance your experience. With AI-powered features, Notion goes above and beyond by offering capabilities such as note summarization, writing improvement assistance, content translation, and brainstorming aid. These innovative functions make Notion a next-generation cloud notes tool, designed to elevate your productivity and streamline your workflow. If you're seeking a solution to optimize your efficiency, Notion is undoubtedly worth exploring. Let's take a closer look at some of Notion's key features. Firstly, it boasts a highly flexible drag-and-drop editor, enabling you to effortlessly organize your content exactly as you envision it. Additionally, Notion provides powerful building blocks that empower you to visualize, filter, and sort data in any manner you desire. This flexibility allows for a truly customizable and personalized experience. Furthermore, Notion's AI-powered tools contribute significantly to increasing productivity and efficiency. These intelligent features ensure that you can make the most out of your time by leveraging AI assistance in various aspects of your work. Notion also excels in facilitating real-time team collaboration. By effortlessly sharing pages, adding comments, and mentioning teammates, the tool promotes seamless communication and collaboration among team members regardless of their physical location. Lastly, Notion's versatility is noteworthy as it seamlessly integrates across all platforms. Whether you're looking on web browsers, desktop computers, or mobile devices, you can rely on Notion to be readily accessible and synchronized across all your devices. Conclusion: as AI continues to shape the world around us, staying updated with the latest advancements is essential. Whether you're a researcher, industry professional, or simply curious about AI, these sites serve as a gateway to the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. By regularly exploring these platforms, you can deepen your understanding of AI, discover novel applications, and contribute to the broader AI community. Embrace the power of knowledge and embark on an exciting journey through the vast landscape of AI. Which website have you used and liked the most? Let us know in the comments section below, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.